This is a video of stoichiometry that involves a limiting reactant. When you do these types of problems, you still want to use your mole map, but now you just have to think about kind of which one of these two. So in the beginning, they're going to tell you you have a certain amount of both of your reactants. So we have 15.75 grams of phosphoric and 22.2 grams of lithium. So the question is, how much of these products can I really make? And which one of the two am I going to run out of? Because whichever one I run out of will then stop the reaction, and then that's the limiting reactant, and that's the one that determines how much product I can make. So when I do these, you can see they're gonna, in the question, I'm gonna go to grams of lithium phosphate. So I'm gonna end using lithium phosphate. I'll be here. So starting over here, going to mole, mole, and then to grams. So for the question though, there's actually two stoich problems. So you'd want to take each one. So I'm going to take my phosphoric, and I'm going to take my lithium. And I'm going to convert each of them to, at the end, grams of lithium phosphate. So that's my goal. Whoops, can't spell. So for this first one, I'm going to go from gram to mole. So I'm going to use my molar mass. So there's 98 grams of H3PO4 in a mole of H3PO4. So that takes me from grams to moles. Now I'm going to do a mole-mole. My mole-mole ratio, I'm going to get rid of the phosphoric, so 2 moles phosphoric here. And then I'm going to go to lithium phosphate, so 2 moles of lithium phosphate. So now I'm right here, and now I'm going to go to grams. So molar mass of lithium phosphate is 115.79. So then this cancels, and I end up with 18.6 grams of lithium phosphate. So according to how much phosphoric I start with, that's how much lithium phosphate I can make. But we're not sure yet if that's really the amount until we do the other reactant. So I'm going to take lithium, and I'm going to do the same type of calculation where I'm going to convert to moles first, and then I'm going to do a mole-mole. I still want the lithium phosphate, so I'm going to put that on the top. I'm going to get rid of lithium, so I'm going to use a 6 on the bottom. And then I'm going to go to grams again. So the good thing is I can use this step again. I can just copy it. So there's that many grams of lithium phosphate in 1 mole. So when I do this calculation, 22.2 times 1 divided by 6.94 times 2 divided by 6 times 115.79 divided by 1, and then enter, I am going to get 123 grams of lithium phosphate. So the question is can I make 18.6 or 123? I can only make this much. This is not possible because I don't have enough of this. This is my limiting reactant.